Hi there! In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can make a shirt in Roblox. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along. So the first thing that you will have to do is you will of course pick the type of clothing that you would want to create, and then you will just look for this template right here. So it's really up to you on how you're gonna design that. You could actually look for this template online, or you could actually look here as well on create.roblox.com and slash docs slash art and slash classic clothing. So yeah, just go to this link, and then you will just have to basically make a shirt out of this template, or you could also make a pants out of this template. So yeah. And by the way, once you've created your clothing from this template, what you will have to do is basically just go to your create.roblox.com, and then you will click creations. And by the way, you have to make sure that you already have a premium subscription, and that you have Robux, so that you will be able to actually ra- to to actually do this smoothly. So go to your clothing after that, and then click shirts or t-shirts or pants or whatever it is that you would want to publish. And then after that, what you will have to do, or what you will see here, is basically just an upload feature, or upload assets or something like that. So once you see that, you will just have to browse your device and for your shirt image template. And by the way, make sure that it is correctly formatted as Roblox requires. So it should be like this. It should look like that. And then finally, you will just have to wait for Roblox to approve your shirt. And once it is approved, it will appear in your history, and you can equip it on your avatar. And yeah, that's basically just it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.